Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your GTA Online character from PS4 to PS5. So first up, what you need to do is to link your account. So just ensure your PSN account is linked to your Rockstar Social Club account. Now this is crucial for the transfer process. Next up, start GTA Online on your PS4. So just go ahead and launch GTA Online on your PS4 and make sure your character data is saved and synced with Rockstar Social Club. Next up, install GTA Online on your PS5. So just make sure you have this downloaded and installed the enhanced version of GTA Online on your PS5. Next up, you're going to start by migrating your character. So when you start GTA Online on your PS5, you will see an option to migrate your profile. Select this option and follow the prompts to transfer your character data. Then finally, you will receive a confirmation prompt. Accept it to complete the migration process. Now do keep in mind that once you transfer your character to PS5, you won't be able to use it on your PS4 anymore. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.